In today's news, Bitcoin bulls are aiming for a massive win. A pullback to 38 cents will do this in Cardano. U.S. Federal Reserve raises interest rates 0.75%. Binance offers Elon Musk to work with Twitter. Visa and Crypto.com are auctioning NFTs for the World Cup. BitGo to launch wrapped version of Dogecoin. Welcome to Crypto Space. In today's video we compile the most relevant news in the crypto world, so subscribe to be informed every morning. Cardano has not been particularly strong in the markets in recent months. Since June, the price has been in a downtrend and has lost 38.2% from those highs at the time of writing. In other news, the founder of Cardano put out a poll asking the Cardano community about their opinion on whether the project should launch Twitter, the offering of sidechain offering, all integrated with the social network. From May to September, Cardano formed a range between 44 cents and 64 cents. At the end of September, ADA fell below this range. The last month has been bearish for Cardano. The pump in the altcoin market in the last week following Bitcoin's rise above $19.6 thousand resistance was also seen for ADA. The lower timeframe outlook was bearish. The 42 cents region, highlighted in red, represented a bearish breakout on the 12-hour time frame. In addition, it represented a pocket of liquidity just below the previous 4-month range. Therefore, it was highly likely that the bulls would not be able to break through this area in the coming days. The RSI fell below the neutral 50 mark in recent hours, while the CMF was also at plus 0.05. Therefore, it was shown that the momentum started to favor the bearish on the 2-hour chart, and the buying pressure was also not significant in recent days. U.S. Federal Reserve raises interest rates by 0.75%. The U.S. Federal Reserve, better known by its acronym as the Fed, announced today a further increase on bank interest rates, which increased by 0.75%, 75 basis points, the fourth consecutive increase by the same amount and the sixth so far in 2022. Fed raises interest rates by 0.75% for the fourth consecutive time. The measure was approved by the members of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, who agreed to raise interest rates again by 0.75%. Agreed to increase interest rates again by 0.75% to deal with the inflationary levels affecting the local economy. With this new increase, the overall amount interest rates to 4%. According to several analysts, the measure does not come as a surprise since it was expected that the Fed would maintain the increases at this level due to the stagnation of the inflationary indexes, which do not seem to be in line with the inflation rate increases. However, analysts' expectations are focused on a possible reduction as of December, so the next increases are expected to be of half a percentage point, 0.5%. Percentage point, 0.5%. In relation to the measure, the Fed reiterated in the statement published a few hours ago that the goal continues to be to bring inflation to 2%, which is why it will continue to raise interest rates at the same rate as in December. Interest rate hikes will continue, while the agency will continue to reduce its holdings of Treasury securities, agency debt and mortgage-backed securities. Binance offers Elon Musk to work with Twitter. Amid expectations that Elon Musk will take a step toward integrating cryptocurrencies into Twitter, some companies in the industry have rushed to offer the social network's new boss their cryptocurrency solutions. The billionaire CEO of Tesla officially bought Twitter last week and has been making a lot of buzz ever since. After firing several of the company's top executives on his first day, Musk announced this week the dissolution of Twitter's board of directors and the possible restructuring of the platform's well-known blue check. As part of the plans, he said Tuesday that the paid subscription service, Twitter Blue, could offer verification to all users for as little as $8 a month. The Twitter's current system of lords and peasants to know who does or doesn't have a blue check mark is bullshit. Power to the people. Blue for $8 per month, he stated in a tweet that generated thousands of reactions. Bitcoin payments via Lightning are an option. The statements, which further fueled expectations of crypto payments integration into the platform, provoked responses from several well-known leaders in the cryptocurrency sector. Among them, Strike's founder and CEO Jack Mallers was quick to propose to the new owner the integration of Bitcoin payments via Lightning Network, Lane, for subscribers. Visa and Crypto.com are auctioning NFT for World Cup. Non-fungible tokens have made a strong entry into the world of soccer. Several teams are offering their fans NFT for their collections. Likewise, payments giant Visa has been no stranger to these tokens and 3 weeks ago launched a program to support artists who want to dabble in this digital art. But even before that, in 2021, the company had purchased its first NFT for $150,000. Now it is going for more. Visa wants to please soccer fans for the upcoming Qatar 2022 World Cup with a non-fungible token, NFT, initiative. FIFA's payment partner has teamed up for this with World Cup cryptocurrency sponsor Crypto.com to celebrate sport, art and technology together. Iconic Goals and proprietary NFTs. Visa announced the launch of a series of unique digital collectibles depicting iconic goals from 5 legendary footballers. Legendary footballers. The Visa Masters of Movement NFTs are now available on Crypto.com, which is the official sponsor of FIFA's cryptocurrency exchange platform. The auction runs until November 8, i.e. ahead of the 2022 World Cup, which will take place between November 20 and December 18 this year. The experience will be brought to life later this month in an interactive arena at the FIFA Fan Festival in Doha, where fans will also be offered the opportunity to create digital art inspired by their signature moves and coin them into their own NFT, details a press release. BitGo to launch wrapped version of Dogecoin. Amid the recent frenzy surrounding Dogecoin, Doge, cryptocurrency platforms are rushing to offer new products tied to the canine meme coin. One that appears to be taking advantage of the fervor is digital asset manager BitGo, which announced Wednesday that it will introduce a new version of Dogecoin wrapped in the Ethereum blockchain. As reported by CoinDesk, the California-based cryptocurrency firm has partnered with Doge DAO for the initiative. A wrapped version will allow users to use Dogecoin within the Ethereum ecosystem, including the decentralized finance (DeFi) space. As such, it means the launch of a new token, called WDOGE, on the Ethereum blockchain that will be linked directly, and at a 1-to-1 ratio, to the original Doge cryptocurrency. BitGo's vice president of product, Nuri Chong, noted, in conversation with CoinDesk, that the launch seeks to cater to one of the most active communities of users in the crypto market. As part of the strategy, BitGo will begin offering hot wallet, qualified escrow and self-managed escrow services for both Doge and WDOGE by the end of November, the report added.